Alga like Spirogyra. Two strains of them will lie side by side like this during conjugation. Now we have Spirogyra having a spirally shaped chloroplast. Let's do some shading of the chloroplast to bring the features out clearly. Nucleus with nucleus, cytoplasm surrounding the nucleus, cytoplasm at the periphery, at the edge, radiating to the center, from the center to the edge. These ones are called cytoplasmic strands. Cytoplasm, then from here radiate to the center, from here radiating to the center. So these are two strains of Spirogyra lying side by side. Now, what are the features you will see from stage to stage? There will be protuberance of the cell wall. That is, the cell wall will, I'm going to take only these two cells, conjugate now, and leave the other ones. There will be a protrusion like this. Here are the two cells. Meanwhile, the cytoplasm, nucleus, chloroplast, protein body known as paranoid in the chloroplast. Paranoid. We have vacuole. Then we have the cell wall. All this, the content inside the cell will now get rounded up. This is now the protuberance. The cell wall now forming a protrusion or a projection trying to meet each other. At the end, the two will meet. At the end, the cell wall that are protruding will meet. And once they meet, the cross wall will dissolve.